everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're doing another Disneyland vlog. Okay, so we're in the room. It's 12 something and I want breakfast. So let's go. Okay. So here we have
Got my dad something that he mentioned he really liked.
Here you go, Dad.
All right, just close your eyes. Open your hand.
Feels like a pin. Yes, it is definitely a pin.
Good guess.
And it has, let's see.
I think you could guess, actually.
I'm trying. It feels like Death Star like.
No.
Something
Guess
spinning.
Actually, the top shape might actually
You're on the right
be
track
most
with Star
important.
Wars.
It feels like X-Wing fighter.
No.
Am I holding it the right direction?
Yeah.
Oh, cool! The new little
Yeah,
droid.
it's
I
the
like
new
the new
droid
little
you
droid.
like.
Oh, it's totally fun. Let's find that.
It spins.
Yeah.
I don't even know what his name is. I like
I
it.
know. You'd said that like you wish they showed it more
It
in
doesn't
the
actually say.
film.
How funny.
Doesn't say a name.
He's a mystery.
Like
For the
you.
mystery man.
Oh.
Guys, what's this?
Finished breakfast / lunch. We finished breakfast / lunch, and I just wanted to mention that this place used to be called Whitewater Cafe, but now it is called the Craftsman Grill. I don't know why they're changing the name. Do you know why they're changing the name of this place, Mom?
Oh no, this place is like, Mom, where did my fork go?
We're with all of our friends. They've arrived.
Here, I'll
Okay, so we're gonna go check out the Lunar New Year decor and all their merchandise before we have a fast pass for Soaring Around the World. Let's go. Fun decor right here.
It's Utopia. All right. So
There it is.
here we go.
Lunar New Year, Year of the Mouse. Or the rat. The mouse for Mickey Mouse, I get it. But it's really Year of the Rat.
She thought about it for about how to say
They got the decor right there. Very nice.
Minnie are actually rats.
I can breathe underwater now. Wow. Disney magic. Disney magic.
This one longing to be thinner, that one wants to get them, girl, and do I help her? Yes, indeed.
I got those. Right here they got some Lunar New Year stuff. They have, I've seen a lot of people with these shirts, which look really cute on. Got some t-shirts. Those. That's cool.
like this one.
I know. How much is it?
70.
70. It's a lot of money, but it's cool.
If I had 70 bucks,
What is this?
if I had 70 bucks to spare, I'd do it.
It's a light. I know, right? Chinese, Korean, Vietnamese. This is so cool. On the wall. Oh, do you guys want to make a wish? Let's make a wish. There's my wish.
What do they do with these?
Do you want me to do it?
Then what do they do with these?
I don't know what they do with them. Billy Symphony swings.
Oh,
5 minutes. Let's do it. Woohoo! Toy Story Mania just opened. It said it was temporarily closed, but I guess it's working now. So we're hopping in because the line is super short.
really, these feel terrible.
They do feel pretty bad. Yeah, you look just like them, Riley. So Goofy's Sky School broke down, but since these guys have been up since 3 in the morning, yeah, 3 in the morning, we're gonna go get some coffee and chai tea lattes for some caffeine. Dying. Energy. Where have you been? Ooh, getting sunglasses, shorts. Did you get a hat too? No? Okay. You good there? You good? You alright? You sure? Okay. Okay, Cameron, tell us what we're doing. What are we waiting for?
We're waiting for the middle front because the Eiffel Tower looks like a C apparently.
Yeah, if we know.
There's nowhere you can run.
So wait for the middle. It's only a 5-minute wait. What the heck? Oh my gosh, live footage. I can't believe I'm witnessing this. Two brothers are fighting once again on land. On land. Whoa. The younger one just walked away. Sir, do you have any words? What's going on?
Bless you.
Oh, thanks.
Those are my words.
Did it get snagged when you took it out?
left is this little.
You want to tell them what happened? Where's your pin that we just got you as a surprise this
Somebody
morning?
stole it. I was mugged by the water station.
No.
Okay.
They
No.
beat me up and I stole my pen.
No. Tell the real
There's
story.
the evidence right there.
No. Tell the real
My
story.
battle droid tried to
No.
protect
Do I need to
the
slap
other little
you?
droid and it wouldn't work. Your connection. Thing you tighten.
Oh yeah, like
keep it
for
on.
you do for
He
your
lost his
Yeah,
pin
yeah, right.
on Storm Around the World. Huh? You are the culprit.
Yeah, it's,
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Cameron, it's you!
And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
Celia, trying to understand.
Come on, this way!
My gosh, that sunrise. 6 a.m. This is our third day at Disneyland, and we're gonna try and ride the Rise of the Resistance again, because our friends arrived, let's see, yesterday, and they want to go on too, so we're all gonna try again to get on that ride. And so it's 6:45 a.m., right?
Yeah, we're meeting.
We're meeting them at 6:45. I think it's about 6:30 right now. The baby wisps are levitating this morning. Okay, so we tried a different technique this time. We wait in the monorail line because when they scan you into the park, you can make the boarding passes. So we're just waiting for the monorail right now. I think one just left, and so we'll have about 5 minutes till the next one comes. It's at 7:18. Okay, and there it is. All right, let's go. So we're going on Small World. It's 7:30. Shortest line ever at Disneyland. The ride just opened.
You gotta even this out.
Was Homan in it?
oh yeah, here I am.
First boat of the day. Jasmine and Aladdin! Yeah! So it looks like they now have Haunted Mansion covered with something, so you can't see all the work that goes on behind. That's pretty cool. Oh, nice one.
Do you want a man in your ship next to us to see? Salute.
car.
Ooh, that's cool.
It's now boarding groups 11 and 21.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so it's 9:40 and we just got our group call.
Boop, 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 beep, 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 beep. Boop, doo, doo, doo. Wow, nice.
I just got chills. Isn't that fun? Like literally the last one's out. You look great, Lily.
Look at my hair. I think it's a shower. That's true. Can you even tell like how like
You're like 100%.
You are like,
100%
I don't think there's a dry spot on your body.
There's a dry spot on your back.
Oh, that is
hilarious. I'm already soaked. You can tell from that first drop. I'm already soaked.
This way? Oh, yeah.
Are you freezing?
Yes, so freezing. You can see like all my hair is dry. I don't think there's one. We tried to find
There's
like
a
one
few
dry spot.
dry spots
There are?
on the backs of your legs.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, see?
You can really tell though, like when I stepped out, like just dripping water. What is this, you may ask? That's my shirt. Okay, so I changed into a dry shirt, but my pants are still soaked and it's really uncomfortable. But we're only going on one more ride, Indiana Jones, and then we're gonna go back to the hotel to change and get some lunch.
Oh, that's so cute. I'm gonna be heading right on over to the Spanish Fountain over here if you want to come with me.
On my dinner, a ball of rice. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for the next Disney vlog. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe for more videos. And comment down below if you've been on the Rise to Resistance and if you liked it. Also, if you haven't entered the giveaway, make sure you enter the giveaway. Alright, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!